Looking for an easy way to improve your home's electrical safety? Upgrading from a traditional circuit breaker to a safety switch, RCD is a simple and effective way to reduce the risk of electrocution. Unlike circuit breakers, which primarily protect against overheating or breaking, safety switches continuously monitor the flow of electrical current. If there is even a minor imbalance in the current, the safety switch will quickly shut down the circuit, preventing a fatal shock. Safety switches are highly sensitive and respond rapidly, making them a valuable addition to any home. Darebin HomeSafe is here to help you keep your home safe and secure. If you're concerned about electrical safety, contact Darebin HomeSafe today. Reach us at homesafe@darebin.com.au. Darebin HomeSafe, elevating tenant safety.